Normally we recommend going to a dance class to learn to dance and video clips to help practice. However, during coronavirus lockdown, we all just do what we can, dancing at home with the people we live with. Filming is also difficult at home, so the following is a clip from one of our DVDs. We hope it helps keep you moving around.
The next move is the lady comb, and is another fancy right-handed return, and it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, or 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do that slowly together. Mounts right, ladies right, semicircle push, step back. We return the lady all the way round. Left hand, as usual, goes in behind the lady's hip so she can't move anywhere. The hand comes down, and instead of taking it over our head, we take it back over the lady's head. Down, and place the hand on the shoulder as well, and then push away with both hands, sliding back, catching left to right. The same thing from the other side, man's right, lady's right. We go semicircle to the right, push, step back, return the lady, hand in behind, then the hand goes back over the lady's head, right hand goes onto the lady's shoulder, little pull in, push away, slide, and catch, man's left, lady's right. To a count, that looks like this. You go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do that together. Right to right. 5, 6, a lady, comb, it's back, return the lady, comb the lady, and back. From the other side. Right to right. 5, 6, the lady, comb, it's back, return the lady, comb the lady, and back.
That was core intermediate material. There are 40 core intermediate moves in total, and between them they cover much of the dance technique needed to supplement the beginner moves. We intend to put up the full set, so check out our YouTube channel, World of Floorcraft, for the rest.